Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Got a Visa debit gift card? Here's how you can use it to buy Robux in just a few steps. First of all, open Roblox on your phone or PC. Then go to the Robux purchase page. Choose the amount of Robux you want to buy. Select credit or debit as your payment method. Now enter your Visa debit gift card details, card number, expiry date, and CVV. Hit submit, and once approved, your Robux will be added instantly. And that's it. You are all set to spend your Robux. Enjoy your game. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.